Hello, welcome to day 28 of 30 days React challenge. Let me connect my earpods. Okay, so we have to implement this toggle switch, 70% acceptance rate. Okay, interactions setup. Start by creating a new functional component for your toggle button. Okay, state management. Use the use state hook. Obviously, if you are toggling something, it will be on off. So we'll have to use state hook to manage the state of the button. Consider that what pieces of state you might need. At a minimum, you will have to need to track whether the button is on or off. I'm not sure why they have mentioned minimum. Like maybe they are thinking we can add multiple things to a state, so we'll have to think about this. Ensure your button meets the styling requirements. Okay, CSS colors and all those kind of things. And on click event, add an on click event to your button. When clicked, the button should toggle between the on and off states. You might need to utilize the state updater function. Okay, state updater function, whenever there is a asynchronous behavior, we have been using state updater functions. Continuous toggling, this ensure your button can be okay, so it should be really quick, so like on off should work easily. Okay, challenges, let's see if they haven't provided any code, so let's try to implement this. Button with ID toggle, so let's do this first. Button ID toggle / button. Okay, now default button appearance. Okay, the button with the ID toggle should have the following properties by default: text on named CSS classes black or white, and background colors light gray, black. Okay, and synthetic events. Okay, make sure your React component responds to synthetic events and updates the button appearance accordingly. Okay, I don't know about this, so we'll see this later on. So let's start. Const toggle state set toggle state is equals to use state. I've imported this here, keep that in mind, and by default false. Okay, so now based on that we have to control text here. So what I'll do is const text is equals to this. Now if this is true, we'll use on. They have used a small case here, off. And if this is false, that means it is off, so I'll use off. And let's use this text here. Okay, let's implement the on click functionality also. Const handle toggle. In that we'll use this set this, but we have to use the state updater function. They have mentioned this, right? So we'll use previous state and update it to opposite of previous state. So on will become off will become on, and we have to call it here on click this. Not call it, actually reference it here. So this is working. Now we have to work on what? Black and white. Background color black, text color white, and background color light gray, text color black. So let's focus on text color first. In off it should be black, and in on it should be white. Similarly, we won't use this text color because those classes are available somewhere in React, I think. BG underscore color is something that is not available in Tailwind CSS or default CSS styling or in React. So we are using underscore just to make it a unique thing. Light gray for black, light gray. Okay, and black for white. So let's use these. Class, we have to use React classes. Background color should be BG underscore color, and color should be equals to text color. No, it is not working. Why is it not working? white with black bg. No, it is not working. Maybe double tick. Nope. Let's run this from here so that just to see if there is any problem or not. Okay, class name, we have to use class name. Refresh. Okay, styling is not working. Why is it not working? What is the default state they have mentioned? Default button appearance, it should be on, right? So in that case we'll make it true first thing. And now white or black, let me use this in a different way. This is also not working. React named CSS classes. Background color black. Text color, let's say white. No, it is not working. I'm making some mistake here. Am I updating toggle state correctly? I think so, because the text is changing. Nope. CSS styling in React. This okay, color, this we have used it in, okay, my mistake. We cannot use a class name because Tailwind classes is not working in this. At the same time, we have to use a style. They have mentioned that we have to use named classes. So a small error, but big payoff, like at least 2 minutes wasted in this. Text color, let's use that. And so this is toggling, so BG color should also toggle. Background color, great, it is working. Let's run the test case and see. Okay, great, so it worked. Do like this video, subscribe to this channel, share it, and currently there is an ongoing challenge, monthly April month challenge on one of my YouTube channels. You can find it, sorry, not on one of my YouTube channel, in one of the YouTube videos you can find it. In that I have mentioned the task of creating color palette generator, and those of you who successfully submit that will get certificates. And yeah, that's it. Once the challenge is finished, I will create my own solution, so do consider subscribing. I'll be doing this on each and every month. So yeah, thank you, bye bye.